So this is the fifth of 20 trades that I'm taking. Today was a loser, just a small loser of $36. This isn't about making profit and making a ton of money. It's about sticking to a consistent plan. So I ended up entering here. Now, I wish I entered down here. To tell you the truth, I was a little nervous because it was the beginning of the day, and I wanted to kind of see how it would play out, and then it just kind of got away from me. Now, I could have entered here, but then we had news coming out at 10 a.m., and I didn't want to enter there because I'm trying to protect my profits and make sure I don't get into something before the news and then it comes down. And then right as the news came, it ended up going even higher. And so then at that point, I was like, okay, it's too overextended. I need to stay calm. So I waited for this, and as we came to about here and we started to break out again, I saw a little bit of volume. We came over that 15 EMA. I thought, okay, here's a good entry. So I entered right there, and then we had a bit of a pullback. That's okay, pin barred, and ended up continuing. I sold off one contract, so I got three contracts at 4825.25. You can see I sold one and made 1876, so I sell one after I get the 4 points. And if you've been watching my videos at all, you can go back and check them out. The whole plan is to sell off one contract at 4 points just in case it ends up going against you. You mitigate some risk, and that's exactly what happened here. So I sold off 1 point. It came up to the, I got some profit, and it ended up coming down. I decided to keep my stop where it was because I wanted to give it some time to play out, and I didn't want to be too tight on it. I could have brought it up to my entry, but I didn't want it to come down here and then continue on. So I figured let's let it play out. And I only lost $36 on the day. So that's fine. I'm actually taking this as a win because I stuck to my plan completely and I actually just executed exactly what I'm supposed to do. I mitigated some risk because I had one contract. I ended up losing 54.98 down here when it came down to touch my stop. So I only lose 36 on the day, and that's how it goes. I wish I entered here, so I'm going to take away the lesson of don't worry about what time it is. You know, sometimes when the market first opens, I like to let it play out. But if we look, my actual trading plan was hit. We had a huge rush of volume. We cracked over the 15 EMA. We had nice big candles, and we kept moving. I should have just entered. So I missed out on a really good opportunity here because I was a little bit fearful, I guess, and I need to look at that subconsciously and understand that and take that into the next lesson for the next day. So let that be a lesson to you. If I saw my plan and it shaped out, I should have just got in. But I didn't, and I missed out on the trade. I tried one more time. It didn't work out for me. I mitigated my risk, lost 36 on the day. I'm still able to trade tomorrow. I'm keeping my losses small, and we'll just go from there, learn our lessons. So that's it, fifth trade of 20. So far pretty good. The account's at 49.67, so that's all right. And we'll just keep continuing and keep learning. Thanks for sticking around this long. If you find any value, like and subscribe. And if you want to kind of follow along, check out the trades that I've already placed before so you can kind of see more on the trading plan and everything like that. And I'm going to go through and do 20 trades to find a consistent strategy. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you on the next one.